sex anymore because I'm a stud. I'm
Oh.
I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you.
Did I just hear the Arnold sound, dude? Who's subscribed? Hold on, wait, who's there? I need to get my shit going here. I need to get lo-fi. Okay, we got our lo-fi. Is everything working? Can people hear me? Okay, I think people can hear me. Smirky! It's Smirky with 6 months. What's up, Smirks? Dude, shouldn't you be sleeping, bro? Oh wait, you messaged me on Discord. Both? No, that ain't happening. Bro, come on. You gotta get some sleep, man. I'm trying to remember who this guy was who rated me the other day. I know his name and I just can't remember. I'm just like blanking on it right now. Who was it? Ah, Coding with Strangers. That's who it was. Okay. This dude has a good he has a good like camera setup with like his like progress and shit. Like I want to copy this. Yo, also, do you guys like the you like how he has like a skinnier cam? It's not 16:9. Like I don't need it to be that this wide, right? It's taking up space unnecessarily, I think. But then again, my camera frame is like it's geared for that resolution, so I'd have to change that. But yeah, I wanted to look into like I just want to show like current YouTube subs and other subs and shit in a better way. I got out of the habit of doing that. Let's also do something real quick on YouTube. A little thumbnail in here. This guy again. Actually, didn't I get a better one the other day? I think this one's better. Let's do this one. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I can tourist. Yo, he's back. Yo, it's funny. I was actually just overlooking at one of Coding with Strangers bots because I thought I like that he has his like progress over here. I also like that his face cam is not like 16:9. I was thinking of changing that up on this stream, just so there's like more space. I'm not sure how to do this though. attack my head off. That's fine. I mean, that's what the streams are for, dude. The streams are for mostly just like messing around. I don't really get a whole lot done on stream, I feel like. Just like general just general shooting the shit is what goes on here for the most part. So yeah, I'm trying to get like a better, I don't know how to do this YouTube icon though. And like pair it with a backdrop like this. Wait, here, hold on. Moved it up a little bit. And I'm just thinking like this, but then we gotta make this wider. I don't know what to do with the YouTube icon. A couple hours worth of work in Unity, import all animation frames from my 2D iOS game. Oh, you're making an iOS game? Oh shit. How is it making iOS in Unity? Do you use any special, like, did you make a sprite sheet or whatever? Or do you just export them individually? I don't think that YouTube icon really fits. I think these backdrops are good though. Like, I'm down with this backdrop. Let me see what other icons I have. I have so many random icons, man. Let's see. These are all the random icons I got. You know, maybe this one would work better. Except, oh yeah. I don't know, dude. Because then, like, I mean, I could, like, just make it larger. Shit. Too big. Oh, it looks like shit too, dude. Are you trying to do UI stuff before I get here? You failed? Dude, I am. Well, I want to have a better setup on stream, dude. What should I do? Tell me what I should do, Brutus. I feel like you would be good at this. I just want to show YouTube subs and Twitch subs and like, but make it look nice. Maybe. I don't know why I'm doing it like this, but. dude. I'm being so stupid right now. I just want to see what it looks like. Like this, maybe, but if it was bigger. That looks pretty good. Icon for each is recognized. Yeah, I just have like more space to fill here than I know what to do with, I guess. That's my only problem. Alright, sorry, let me catch up again. About to find out. It's gonna be easier than Unreal because... Yeah, from what I know, Unity's better for like... Definitely for iOS ports. But I feel like just in general, any like Android port, it's pretty good with. It's a game that already exists in the App Store. Oh, okay. Oh, so you used to code in Objective-C too. Dude. I literally used to use that framework, Cocos 2D and Objective-C. Fucking made a game way, way back then. Or I tried to make a game, I should say. Never actually published it. There's something called like Sprite Builder, I think, that I used that was so cool. I'm pretty sure it got bought out by like Microsoft or something, but then nothing ever happened to it. But Sprite Builder was basically like a GUI editor for Cocos 2D. You use Sprite Builder? No way! Dude, I loved Sprite Builder. Oh my god, it was so good. And then it got abandoned. Oh, that's what happened? Damn, that sucks. I heard it got like, I don't know if bought out's the right word, but it like got, yeah, like officially sponsored and they're gonna try to like monetize it and shit, and then like it just dropped off the face of the earth after that and never released. Some shit like that. That's what I remember happening. And I was so annoyed. Because I tried to come back to my game like 6 months later, and then like Sprite Builder was like no longer live, and I was just like, dude, what the fuck? Fuck Apple. I mean, we know Brutus hates Apple. I'm just gonna do this because I don't want to spend all night on this. It looks fine. Looks good enough, you know. Brutus, if you have better ideas, send them to me, if you care enough. I definitely do not care about this nearly as much as something like in Zenfisher. I suppose these should be sharp angles too. Oops. You guys love zoom-ins of my face or what? Dude, that sucks, man. Yeah, something pretty similar happened to me, man. That's so funny, dude. Fucking small world. I liked Objective-C back in the day, though. It's pretty good. The whole system was great. You could almost see my pores. Dude, we're just zooming in. Yeah, this is what it's gonna look like, you guys. I guess, like, I'm just gonna do this, and then now I need a Twitch icon. Well, I'll just... I think I already have this. Yeah, I'll just use this. Okay. I actually think I can just fully build this in Streamlabs. Let me try to build this real quick. Or also, okay, what should we do with lifetime push-ups? Should that be at the top? Like up here? And have like a background maybe? I don't know, we'll move that for now, like this. What did he do during the Apple II phase? Mental energy is spent, dude. Too much arc? Alright, I won't ask questions. I don't have to always ask you a question, Brutus. We can just chill. I get that. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna make a... Been testing? Testing what? Arc gives me energy. That's actually true, dude. Whenever I game, I fucking receive energy, that's for sure. When I used to play RuneScape, dude, I could just go all day, 14 hours. Okay, how do we... Oh yeah, we're just gonna have to do like a new... What is the... Dude, this is so annoying, man. Sources, there it is, okay. Let's make a color block. I should just take pictures and upload them in here, dude. This is so ass. Last thing I need to do is learn another program and how to edit things. How do I just, like, make it not scale? Properties? There, okay, we can make it the same size as this. 400. It's Hori over on YouTube. What's up, man? How we doing? How's your night going, dude? Oh, is that calling JB? Alright, I'm reading Ian. He tried to make something that was $10,000 in 1982 for sale? Did he really? I never even knew what Elisa was. Vittori says, just wanted to pop in and say that your video about making terrain was amazing. Great work, man. Yo, thank you. We're gonna be coming actually out with part 3 pretty soon. I'm working on it right now. Or not right now, but I've been working on it a little bit. So part 3 should be coming out fairly soon. Did you watch both parts or just the first one? Mr. Dogmata, how are we doing tonight? Are you gonna tell that one guy to go fuck himself for trying to get you to do videos for $15? You watch both, Vittori? Nice. Alright, yeah. Next one should be pretty cool, dude. It'll be good extension. I'm planning at least probably 3 more total. I don't know how long I can keep that series going though, because like the 5-minute format only really works for so long. I can't really do any in-depth coding in like 5 minutes, so I'm probably gonna end the series somewhere around part 5 and just have it be kind of mostly a 3D open world tutorial about setting up like the environment. It's not really gonna get into too much of like the coding and project setup beyond that. But after I finish that series, then I want to do a more in-depth one. It'll be like 30-minute videos each. Trying to imagine everything still needing to be made with C for RAM requirements. There's one product built with Apple Pascal has a huge success, a game series called The Wizardry. I don't know if I've heard of that before. Like there's just a game for like Apple II. Victoria, you just getting started in Unity, or have you been using it for a little bit? Okay, so I'm trying to make this stupid ass new thing in Streamlabs. Okay, I think you can do like a can you do like a border? Or do I have to do like another one? Ugh, nah, dude, I'm about to just export images. This is so ass. If I can't figure out edit filters. If this doesn't have border right here, then yeah, GG's. Okay, I'm done. I'm just exporting this. Alright, let's add a new source. Image, add source. Think it works with PSDs? No way, it does. Man, this is so painful to edit. This is so painful to... Can I like zoom in? I can't zoom in on this shit. Why am I working on this? Because I wanted to work on it tonight, man. Been using it for a little bit. By the way, Vittoria, we're over on Twitch as well, just so you know. So you don't think I'm talking to fucking myself or something over here. Been using it for a little bit. I'm only a little annoyed with Unity lagging the feature for rotating brushes. Oh, you can definitely rotate brushes. I forget though. Unity rotate brush. I forget, there's definitely a way. I thought there's like a terrain tools asset pack that you could install. Yeah, check out terrain tools Unity assets. Is it this one? I don't think it's this one. Hold on. Terrain tools. It's actually built into Unity, but you need to import it. Is this the one? Yeah, I'm pretty sure if you download terrain tools, install it, there's a way to rotate brushes in there. Why is that? Wait, who just got timed out? The fuck just happened? I didn't even notice. I asked you if you wanted me to make you a theme. You said no. That was a while ago though, right? I mean, the thing is like I have everything else. I just need this little thing right now. I'm not trying to make like a whole new theme. So annoying, isn't it? Doesn't look like development on Zen Fisher. It's definitely not, but it's development on the stream, dude. Oh, what? Just deleted my other one? It's so dumb. Okay, note to self, you can't copy. I want to copy, and then I want to paste a reference. A reference? And if I change it now, does it work? Oh my god, okay, not a reference. Paste duplicate. It's kind of weird terminology. Actually, I guess that makes sense. Where's the actual size? Font size? Hello? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, and let's get okay, let's add a new source, name it YouTube icon. Videos, game making. Nope, not sound effects. Image. No, dude. Stock images, God. Okay. I seriously don't know how... I don't know how you're supposed to, like, mess with this stuff in Streamlabs. It feels so awful. Oh, you can nudge it. Okay. We can do that. Jesus. Okay, I'll do copy and paste a duplicate. Oh, it's not what I chose. Copy, paste, duplicate. I guess this text is way better as the classic YouTube looking thing. Classic YouTube text. I'm just doing YouTube tonight, and then I'm working on Zen Fisher. I'm not gonna get the Twitch one. I'll do that off stream, so I don't have to just work on this literally all night. Number 6. Aren't you coming for Reagan next? Yeah. Fucking program, man. Okay. My opinion is just a little smaller. Alright. We're just gonna live with that for tonight. Mark R. What's up, dude? Not saying long, but good luck on the project. Thanks, dude. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm actually about to get back into it. I was messing around with stuff on the stream, but yeah, tonight I'm actually working on persistent data. It's kind of a big challenge right now in this game to get this whole backend going. Some of the new features we've added. Oh, you can't hear them because it's probably too quiet, but I did add in sound effects for everything. So there's a pickup sound effect, there's a hover over all of these sound effects, there's a move sound effect, there's a drop sound effect that's different than pickup, and then there's also a sound effect for advancing text and for selecting text. So I've added in all of those sound effects. I also went and fixed like 3 or 4 bugs that I had on my bug tracker, so that's kind of what I've been up to. Not too much. Reagan's 3? Is that right? I know it goes dog, and then it goes... My friend Austin used to be here a ton, but... I wonder where my girlfriend is. I can't do rank of a specific person, can I? Oh, I can do leaderboard. Yo, by the way, Mark R, we're over on Twitch as well, just so you know. Dude, okay, leaderboard doesn't work? What? That's pretty stupid. What are you working on, Mark? Yeah, here, I'll, need a little full screen. So, yeah. Basically, like, I think we're good here. We've been working on making stories, or like, you know, basically dialogue, I guess is a better word for it. So at this point we have like any dialogue we can type into Inky, it comes into here, and then it auto-populates our options if we set some options, and we can select advanced text and be done. So I think this is all done, but what I need to get to now is if you advance through a story or like you begin one, it needs to save that and then go to the next part. And it needs to save that persistently between game sessions. So yeah, just trying to get a structure for that has not been the most fun. And then another thing that I gotta do, man, and I think I'm gonna work on this tonight, is persistently save the inventory so that when you load into the game, your inventory is in the same state that it was before. So I think, to be honest with you, that's the next step right now. It's about what I'm about to do. You working on going to sleep? Hey, I feel that, man. What time zone? East Coast? It is getting pretty late on a Sunday. I'm over here on West Coast, though. I still got a couple hours in me. Oh boy. Doesn't look like a lot, but I spent a long time setting this shit up today. So long, dude. This generic types, though, for saving values and loading values is going to be a godsend. Okay. I've already verified the persistent saving works with like the volume and shit, so it works. The next big challenge is the inventory, which is like a list instead. I'm trying to think if there's like an easier stepping stone. Ah, oh, it's top. Okay. Here's the top ranks in the Twitch chat. Look at this man, level fucking 170, dude. Oh, Dingers is number 2 now. No way. Dingers. Okay, and this is my friend Austin. I stopped 3. Okay. We got J-Host. No way J-Host number 4. Yeah, Reagan's 5. Yeah, so you're coming for Reagan. I'm gonna send this to her because she better be getting pretty scared. If she was just around a little bit more, she would pass J-Host, dude. She's real close. Mikey, level 69. The fuck? But Jenga's number 9? That's crazy. Hudson, dude. That guy was in here every day for a while, then he just dropped off the face of the earth. Lurker Network? That's not sus. Don't do it? I will when you're getting close. Reagan, ever since school got back in session, dude, Reagan's just been missing. Have fun officially signing out. Alright, man. Hope to see you back. I stream every other day, usually. Also, if you've seen the vids, we got a Discord channel, so feel free to join that if you want to. We're pretty active in there. We're trying to always help people out. Have a good night, dude. Peace. Why would I help her? Because I want Reagan to be back. Alright, dude. It's just gonna be a list. Let's just fuck around with lists for a little bit here. Public list. But it's like a list of it's a list of scriptable objects, which makes it such a massive pain. I don't want to have to save all the data from the scriptable objects for all this. That's like way more data than we need. So I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna have to create like an inventory class, like item class, which is what I should have done a long time ago. And it really bothers me that I'm gonna have to do it anyways, but I just have to do it. So, well, let's just start with some like ints, because then this way we can just be like num items in slot list equals. Oh, should this be a list or an array? Yeah, actually, I don't know how this gets saved. This will be interesting. This is weird. I think this should be like the... I think this should be not a list, but an array. And then we should set it to the size of our inventory. But I need to do that here, which is annoying. Inventory manager, is this... Ugh. So stupid, dude. God, GameScope. Further you get into game, man, it just gets worse and worse. Doesn't ever get better. What do I do, man? Do I put this in like the game data? Like the number of rows and inventory slots, because it's like more of a static value? So I need to access this basically on awake. And these values are getting like serialized in Unity. I could create... Nah, I shouldn't do that. Text too small for old eyes. I mean, the problem is like, right, this... The inventory manager has rows and columns inside of the class, but like, you know, it needs to be initialized to access those rows and columns. And like the data manager is going to run before that in general. So like what really needs to happen is these rows and columns need to be somewhere in like a static class that's more accessible. I do kind of have a place for that, like game data, but it just feels so weirdly like abstracted away from inventory. It's kind of annoying. That was the point of game data. So I guess I should put it here. Settings. And then... Glad to be a rubber duck. I'm not buying a suit though. What does that even mean? Riavo, yo, what's up, dude? First time chatter in the chat. What's going on? Tori Rose. Let's see if this works, at least. So we'll just have to print it out here. Print game manager.instance dot game data dot inventory rows. And then we can also try to print it out in from inventory manager. But this feels kind of sketch. Or into the meme I sent you where the guy's wife left him because... Oh, that one. Yeah, okay. So basically, why did it take me there? Okay, but anyways. Yeah, this line printed null because inventory manager isn't instantiated yet. And like, yeah, we can't just pretend that we can always make data manager spawn after these things. Like that's not going to happen. Because like we're actually going to need to pull in data from data manager. This thing is basically the way I've designed this is that my game manager initializes before data manager, but then like essentially everything else comes after that. So that's kind of the order. Game manager, then data manager, then everything else builds off of that. Because then at that point we have all the data that we need to like load the game. And that's why I made game data like where all the settings are so that we can just have immediate access to that even in like the data manager. So that works. Then I guess like all we need to do is it just feels so clunky, but I guess this is what I have to do. I mean, I need to make this item inspector. Or it can just be private. Actually, is it? Yeah, it's is this being accessed anywhere? No, we're good. We can make that private. Yeah, we'll just make that private. And then we will set this in the wake method to game manager dot instance dot game data inventory rows. Okay. What happened to the music? There's no way we're done with that mix already. Oh, yeah. Still don't understand how funny it was. I guess. I don't know, dude. I mean, it's funny, but I think you just love that meme. You really love it. How did you enjoy your 15 minutes of Ark? Dude, we played for like an hour and a half at least. It was pretty good. I mean, again, like I definitely would play it. Like I would play the shit out of it. It's just I don't have time to play a ton, so like I'm gonna try to play a little bit, but here and there. But like, it's just so hard for me to get into a game like full fledged, because then I would just have to give up all of this. It was definitely fun though. Like, I liked it. Alright, well, we did what we had to do. So now, yeah, we're gonna make a, I don't know if we can do, yeah, I think we're gonna have to have like a init data or something. I'll call init data here. I don't think we can just initialize this value here. We're just gonna say equals new, and then we're gonna do okay. So now that's initialized. What does it initialize them to? Oh, it probably is like the default for an integer. That's fine. Yeah, 0 is fine. I'm never waiting 5 hours to play something with you ever again. You didn't get to do much really. I just want you to know. I know. But like that's just the thing, man. That's why it's frustrating to play games with me right now, because that's all I can do. So I don't know. That's just what I've been telling you this whole time. Like, I'm down to play it, but like that's just how it is. I'm in the middle of moving right now. I just have like infinite shit to take care of every day, and then like on top of like working full time and then trying to maintain like streaming and progress on Zenfisher and YouTube, like I have fucking 5 spare minutes a day. That's a lie, but nah, I still have some spare time, but like it's just not, it's not enough to get it like deep into a game, you know? Like when I used to like get into games, dude, it was like, yeah, like I'm fucking in it. 6 hours a day minimum, like just going hard as I can, grinding everything out. That's how it was in RuneScape when I played last time, but like I just can't do that shit again. But you know, when I'm like burned out and I want to play a game, I'll boot up Ark with you. Maybe once I get better, I'll get more into it, and then I'll just stop game dev altogether, you know? Waiting around with another story? Alright, my bad. I'll say sorry for that. I didn't realize like it was like you were waiting on me though. I thought it was just like, yeah, we'll play. And also, part of that was me trying to download it. Like, first time I downloaded it, it said I had enough space. I waited like an hour, and then it got to the end, and it couldn't like fully download it, and I tried to clear space, and then it said it got corrupted, and then I had to like fully delete it, and I had to re-download again, and that took like over an hour again. And then I did the DLC shit with the new map, and the same thing happened. So then I had to re-download the DLC. So it was actually like I was waiting around on the fucking downloads for like almost 3 full hours, and because I literally ran out of space on my my D drive like 2 times and had to re-download 100 gigabytes. Dude, I need that new whatever you put in the build, dude, like a 4 terabyte SSD. Holy shit, do I need that? I can't wait. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, this is initialized. So I think I just want to save. Let's just try saving this value. I think what we have. How does this work? So I think normally you would do es3.save. And we would do like name of this. Hopefully it just takes care of it for me. Oh, I have to save the whole... Yeah, see, this is weird. Let's just see what it does. I would rather just save an individual indice if I could, but it doesn't really seem like it lets me very easily. But I want to know what the file structure is, so let's figure it out. I know, dude. I need space for video editing backups. Oh my god. I'm down to like 200 gigs on my main. I've been saving all my videos, but I'm down to like 200 gigs on my main hard drive. The main hard drive here is 100 or is 1 terabyte, and then my D drive is, I think it's also 1. I think they're both 1. Oh my god, no, my D drive is 500 gigabytes. It's so bad. No wonder I run out of space. I could barely even fit Ark with all the DLC. Oh, no wonder it's so bad. I was like, dude, I was looking today and I was like, I don't have that much shit downloaded. I uninstalled Fortnite and I uninstalled Apex Legends. Oh, that was another thing. I had to uninstall a couple things. Make space. Oh god, what is this? Oh my god. It's only $455? Oh, it's SATA? Oh, okay. I didn't realize that. Well, still though. I don't know. No, I mean, that's crazy though. Video files? Yeah, true. Damn. Yeah, that's cool. 20 terabytes, that's nuts. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it didn't bug at least. Now we saved it, so it should be somewhere. Save file.es3. I have no idea where it's actually saving this kind of shit. It's probably in app data. Do you think? App data. Local. It's gotta be in here, right? Search for this file name. How does like Windows search like not work still, bro? I actually got, what was this, I got an application that was supposed to do this. It actually worked pretty good. I can't remember what it's called now. Why did I take it off? That was pretty useful. I took it off my hotbar. Damn it. How do I look at like all my applications? Apps. So stupid. Like how? How can you not just search this directory, dude? I don't get it. Can it just tell me, like, where... Default file path? Where? Alright, easy save. Easy save. 3. Where do you save? They actually have a forum. Interesting. Dude. Is it not? Is it like in my project file? I don't think it's in here. I actually just want to like punch something right now, man. This is such a stupid problem. How can I not find this? Save file. Save file.es3. It's not in there. Is it anywhere? Does it actually say it has to be saving somewhere, right? Save a file, easy save 3 and Unity. Maybe I'm not actually saving it, I don't know. Okay. Where is save data stored? Thank God. Application.persistent data path. You can open this path in the editor by going to Tools, Easy Save, Open Persist. Oh, thank God. Okay, it's actually a good tool. Tools, Easy Save. Oh, and you can even clear everything. Wow, this is amazing. Except, hello? Oh, open persistent data path. Good. Oh, we found it. Oh, it's Ginja game. Oh, it's in local low too. I don't know why it's in local low. Ah, yes. Okay, here we go. Finally. Jesus. Oh, wow. So it actually saves it. Yeah, it just saves it as a straight dictionary. Okay. Yeah, so you can't save individual ones. You just update the dictionary and then save the whole thing every time. It's probably pretty low cost, to be honest. When you look at it like this. Damn. Yeah, they do this in a goated way. Save the type and everything. Okay. So it's working. We're saving dictionaries. Good. Easy. Yo, Shinobi, what's up, bro? What's good? Man, I am just working on the worst thing tonight. Just so you know, dude. It is a boring stream tonight, man. This is some brutal shit. Oh, look at this guy, dude. 10 terabytes for $239. Crazy. See that every stream? I know I do, but this is actually the worst. Welp. Now I have to do another really shitty thing, which is I need to make like an inventory item class. Ugh. So like everything that has a manager in its name is hella boring. Scriptable objects and shit. Oh yeah, it's definitely it's worse than that because it's like I'm using a scriptable object, but I actually don't want to save the scriptable object. Like I don't want to save the whole scriptable object. I just want to save the data that's part of the scriptable object that matters, which is not everything. So I have to make like a little mini scriptable object out of a scriptable object. Fucking sucks. Fucking thing sucks. I don't even know what to do. I don't know if I should just make this like a data thing or... No, we gotta do it this way. I can't save the whole fucking scriptable object, man. That's so dumb. That's gonna be so much extra data. Okay, let's go into inventory manager. Let's just create a class. Let's call it... You know what it... No, you know what I need to do? I really don't want to do this, dude. But this is what I should do. I should make like a persistent item class. And it only has the data that is like persists between instances. Recode steering moment of decision. Dude, this is awful. I really should, if I had done this from the get-go, it would have been a lot better, but I'm like, I'm kind of too deep now to like fully refactor. Is it worth it though? Dude, that's what I'm trying to decide right now. Is it worth doing it this way? There's two options. One option, I need to like talk like this, like just options and just pick one, because otherwise I just stare blankly for like 20 minutes and don't do anything. But basically there's two options. One, which is probably the smarter thing, is to create something called like a base item data or persistent item data. But the base item data is the only, it basically has the item ID. It has anything that makes it distinctive from any other item. So item ID, the number of items on that instance. And to be honest, I think that's it for now. But you can imagine this is different, because this is different like than a normal item data, because like the normal item data has a ton of things. It has like the prefab reference, the sprite reference, all that shit. I don't need to save any of that. That's all static data that has to do with a scriptable object. But this is like a runtime object, or like we can name it whatever the fuck we want, a base item, but it defines distinctively an item in the game. I never really thought about items this deeply until fucking today. Actually, it was a few days ago, but I knew I was gonna have to do this at some point. That's option one, and then option two is we just create something called like an inventory item. But that doesn't seem as powerful, so I think I should do it the first way. Inventory item makes it seem like it only has to do with the inventory, but really what I want is like a... I think it's called a base item data, is what we should call it. And base item data is just like probably like an abstract class. We can just put it in item data. Let's just do that. Where's item data? This is such a pain. A pass-through object? Basically, yeah. It's gonna take a lot of time to trans your whole project for that. Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm not gonna fully refactor the project. I'm just like trying to basically create something that like it communicates between two things. If I was smart, like this is what it would have been. If I was smart, I would have made my base item data, and then I would have inherited from that for item data, and then we wouldn't have this problem because I could just get the base item data from the item data. But what I'm gonna do instead is I'm just gonna like have my item data exist by itself, and then we're gonna have the base item data, and basically from any item data we can just like call a function that creates a base item data, and then we'll pass the base item data into like persistent data. That's what I'm gonna do, so I don't have to refactor the whole project. But I wish I did it the other way. Hey, Punk, Twitch exists too. All right, let's check out Twitch. What are you guys saying over here? I know what you need next stream. You need to work on actual fishing mechanics to make yourself actually feel like progress. It's like coffee for game dev brain. Also, so I can feel the progress. Oh shit! Tech support redeemed the Yu Fufu quiz. Holy shit! Hey, that's what I need right now. You oh, you don't even know what it is? Okay, okay. This is what you have to do. Go to the site and then pick one. And please pick one that's not safe for work. Safe for work. Because there's a lot of them that aren't there. Okay, public class base item data. We're just gonna make it... Is there an item ID? Yeah. So what? Oh. Public... What do I call it? A string? Public string item ID. Public, and then we just need a stat count. So that's our base. That's all we need to save, right? Like if we look in the inventory, that's all that actually matters. Good luck on the base item data. Gotta go, but I'll come later. Alright, dude. See you later, man. Thanks for stopping by. How can I not pick this one? Alright. What is this? I have to open this shit off stream. What? Okay, does this have like weird connotations? Is this legal for me to play on stream? Yeah, okay, let's do a new one. I'm worried. It looks fine, but I'm also worried. Okay, yeah, when we pick up an item, is there anything else that matters? It's the item ID and it's the stat count. That's it. Okay, we're good. So, yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work, but we basically need to save a, Oh no. Where did my inventory, or where did my data manager go? We're gonna have to make a list of base item data. What do you think it initializes them to? And also, do you think it creates... This will be interesting, actually. Best Pokemon? Oh, okay. Let's do it. This one's gonna make me look real old. Should we do round of 128 because it's Pokemon? That's easy, dude. Gotta catch them all. Here we go. Pikachu, okay. Pikachu first? The fuck, dude? I don't even know these guys, see? Well, I kind of know some of them from Pokemon Go. I like Kyogre. That's actually one of my favorites. Jolteon versus Typhlosion? Bro. I like Typhlosion. You need to make an arc, you should. Metagross? Metagross? Shiftry. I'm under Shiftry. Whoa, this one looks cool. We have to go with the classic though, Zapdos. Ho-Oh. Swampert. Venusaur. You think Zapdos is the coolest Birdmon? I think it is probably too. I had to pick it. Oh, I like... Oh, man, I like both of these guys, though. I think I like Sizor better, though. Rapidash. Rapidash is a sick one. Oh, Ampharos! Dude, that's my guy. Flareon. Oh my god. 128 is so many. I just gotta rapid fire this. Leafeon? Wait, what? Is that a new one? I don't know those. What is Leafeon? Toxic Thief, bro. What's up? Am I putting you to sleep with all these Pokemons? I don't know what these are. Arceus? Basically, any Gen 1 is getting picked. Oh, Eevee versus... I'm gonna go Eevee. Eevee's just a classic. Imagine having to pick between Charizard and Starmie. That was a tough one, man. I had to think about that. That was a rough. Oh, dude. Actually, this was one of my favorites. I would pick Arbok, but nah, we gotta pick... I never know how to say it. Suicune or something? I have no idea what these guys are. I almost did. Xatu. Rayquaza for sure. Houndoom for sure. Oh, Entei is sick, dude. Okay. Entei might be my favorite legendary. We'll see. We'll see how he does. Latias. Entei's always been one of my favorites. You think yours is Lugia? Lugia is also cool. Kingdra. I don't know, Darkrai? I don't know that one. This would be so hard in Arc. What are you gonna do? Like, just all the beasts? Glaceon? Moltres? Mewtwo. Blaziken sick. Arcanine for sure. Arcanine's honestly one of the coolest. Blastoise easy. The legendary dogs were good, man. Torterra, dude. Who's that? Oh, this guy? I don't really know this guy very well. What gen is that from? Militech. Lugia. Oh yeah, Lugia is sick. I remember that one. Alright. Ninetales. Dude, I always kind of like... I don't know how to say it, but Gardevoir? Lapras. Altaria. Gogoat? I don't know these guys. This guy's kind of cool though. Steelix? That was a hard one. The camera up's pretty cool too. Sharpedo? Mew. Oh, I don't know these guys. How am I doing so far? I haven't made any terrible decisions. I haven't upset anybody yet. Oh, definitely Gyarados. It's gonna get more intense. This one's gonna be intense, actually. This is gonna be one of the best ones we've done. Articuno. Where's Raichu? Well, we're not gonna get all of them because it's only 128. We didn't get Raichu. We got Dragonite though. All right, round 2. Here we go. This is kind of a shitty one. Guess I'll go Swampert. Steelix. Okay. Metagross or I don't like Slocking, dude. He like Jabba the Hutt type of looking guy. I don't know. Just has a sus looking smile on him. Ooh, Entei for sure. Me too. Moltres. Are these like, do they evolve? Look so similar. But I have to go with the one I know. Pikachu. Gotta take Pikachu this early. Oh, see, okay. I might make some enemies here, dude, but I always like Ampharos, dude. That's my Pokemon over Blastoise. Oh, I knew I was gonna upset some people. Typhlosion? Okay, we'll go Venusaur. That's just my Pokemon, dude. Can't fault me. Rapidash. Raikou. Houndoom or Arcanine, dude? Battle of the Dogs. I think it's Arcanine. Gyarados or Magnium? Or Meganium? I don't even know how to say that, dude. I don't know how to say half these names. Ho-Oh or Articuno? I think so, yeah. Meganium, yeah. Meganium? This is a hard one. But dude, okay, I know which one it's gonna be though. I always liked Articuno more. I like the name. Definitely this guy. Zapdos. I don't know, this is cool. I don't really know him, but also don't really have strong opinions on Sceptile. Dragonite. Gengar. Flareon. Blaziken. Blaziken's pretty cool. Melodic. Charizard. Alright, I'll take this. I don't really know the other guy either. Oh shit. Cubone or Marowak or Mew. Actually, that's easy, dude. It's Mew for sure. Oh, it's gonna start getting hard. Xatu or Alakazam? Alakazam, dude. Alakazam's good. Oh, shit. Lugia or Rayquaza? I think it's Lugia. I think I gotta go Eevee here, man. Not for him, he's a monster. Dude, I paused like a sec. Lapras. Venusaur. Oh, this is the next round. Okay, round of 32. Oh, it's Articuno. Bye, Blaziken, sorry. Moltres. Moltres is cool. I like Rapidash more than a Gengar. Yeah, we gotta go Pikachu there. Zapdos or Arcanine? Ooh, I don't. This one's hard for me. I almost got canceled there. You thought I wasn't gonna get Pikachu? No, this is actually a hard one. Alright, I'm gonna go Zapdos. But I'm really sad we had to eliminate Arcanine. One of my favorites. Gyarados. I'm taking Gyarados over Vaporeon. I feel like Vaporeon doesn't have like a personality. Oh, definitely Mewtwo here. Nah, I think it's Mew, but damn, that sucks. Oh, this guy looks pretty cool. I don't really have strong ties to Steelix, so I'm gonna take Darkrai. Darkrai, I don't know. How do you say it, dude? Flareon or Lapras? I'm gonna go Lapras, actually. Surprise myself. Dragonite for sure. Lugia. Dude, Suicune's just so cool. Gotta take that. Oh, no! Not Ampharos, dude. Dude. Oh, alright, I have to eliminate it. Well, okay, would you guys take Entei over Blastoise? What would you do in Blastoise versus Entei? This is rough, man. This is so rough. Dude, Entei is like probably my favorite legendary Pokemon. Ah, I have to take Pikachu though, dude. I have to. Venusaur or Rapidash? I think Venusaur. Damn. Zapdos. Oh, no. No. Nope, I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to decide. You guys can decide for me. Mew? Okay, Mew. That was impossible. It literally was a fucking dead even tie for me. Lugia, yeah, it's gotta be Charizard. It's gotta be Gyarados. Just a classic. Articuno versus Dragonite? Oh, no. I'm not looking at stream until I'm not looking at stream. I'm not looking at chat until I choose. I have to have my own opinions. I'm going Dragonite. Oh no! No, I went against Brutus. Ah, shit. This is definitely Mewtwo. Easy. Oh. A showdown as old as time itself. It's gotta be Pikachu, yeah. It was Pikachu immediately. Okay. Damn, Dragonite versus Charizard. I think Charizard, dude, because Charizard's just more of a classic for me. Damn, oh, this dude. I'm gonna rock the boat, dude. I'm going Gyarados. I'm gonna rock the boat. Gyarados is an all-timer for me, dude. What do you think about that tech support? Would you take a Mew or Gyarados? Alright, Zapdos or Venusaur? It's definitely Zapdos. Probably Gary. I see I'm not alone. Pikachu versus Gyarados. Damn, yeah, I can't take Gyarados over Pikachu. It's Charizard. Charizard just feels right. Charizard versus Pikachu? This is my top two. I feel like I was cheated somewhere along the way. Like, I get Pikachu being here, but Charizard feels weak. I mean, don't get me wrong, Charizard's like a top 5 for me, but I feel like there's better ones in there somewhere. I don't know, Pikachu just fucking took them all out, dude, I guess. Took Entei out. How can Pikachu not win? Yeah, I mean, that's true. It's just gotta be Pikachu. Rayquaza's number 1? What? By like a mile, too. Holy shit. That's crazy. Why do people like Rayquaza so much? The fuck is this one? Greninja? People just don't want to be normies, dude. That's why they didn't pick Pikachu. That's all. That's all it is. I'm surprised, honestly, man. I don't know what people are choosing here. This one's really cool, though. I never seen this guy before. Alright. Way down there, yeah. Okay, let's see what happens when I save this now. This is scary. What's gonna happen here? Okay, it's been saved. Oh, it finally found my save file. Thank you. Fucking hour later. Okay, so it's just made them all null. Looks nice. The cottage looks sweet. Yeah, we've been working on like it's like the tutorial islands. We're working on dialogue. Dialogue actually works really well. I can spend some real time on that though. Oh, these are like weirdly We'll have to fix the overlap on them. I think I just need a background that separates them. Oh, no, but then, oh man. Yeah, I don't know what we can do about that. Anyways, we can pick dialogues and then we can continue. Oh man. Okay, so yeah, that makes sense. Now let's try doing. This is just really annoying, man. I'm just gonna have to do an base item data new item data equals new base item data, and then we'll do new item data dot item ID equals item new item data dot stat count will be equal to 1. How about that? And then we'll say this is initializing the data. And I want to do this here. And then I want to say num item in slot 0 equals new item data, and then we want to save it. I just want to see, like, does it actually hold up? Because if ES3 actually does this, that's fucking sick. Oh shit, I don't know if it actually... We did it, yeah, we saved it. I don't know if it's gonna do this, dude. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Oh, it did it! Oh my god, that's fucking incredible. Do you know how incredible that is? This is the best $30 I ever spent. Yeah, if you guys want the best, well, okay. The reason I bought this was because it was discounted. This thing was discounted to 30 bucks and I bought it. But this is what I'm using, Easy Save. It's so fucking good, dude. It can literally, like... I guess it's not a JSON file, it's its own file, but it can basically just persistently save data that it can be literally anything, dude. Has it all worked out, dude. Dictionaries, lists, fucking custom classes, scriptable objects, transforms, game objects, components. It can literally do anything. It's absolutely insane. Oh, man, it's so nice. Alright, well, we're almost done. Easy. I was really worried about this part. So, let's see. So basically we should just be able to be like, yo. Loaded base item data equals load value from items in slot, and then we should be able to print loaded base item data 0 dot, let's just do stack count, right? If this works, I'm gonna be just, oh, I'm getting off, dude, because I'll be so hyped. There's a new recommended assets channel that you have. Nice, okay. Oh wait, you're saying the make one? I'm saying create one? Okay, okay. Oh no! It didn't work. Something didn't work. Trying to load data of type base item data, but data contained file is of type system.single. Damn. System.single. Okay, let's try doing it without my oh wait. I think I know. Yeah, let's do a little investigating here. Instead of load value, I'm just gonna do this straight up load. I thought this would work though, because it saves it as this string, as this key. ES3.load This is what I have to do though, man. Like, this is why I bought this thing, dude. Come on. Okay, that works. So it's a problem with my script. It printed out the right number too. It printed out stat count is equal to 1. Okay, so what's going on here? You're not gonna go rogue? Alright. Yeah, I should make something like that. Okay, so what I tried to do was I tried to do this. Let me try doing print name of this. Does that give what I expect? Yeah, it does. Okay, so that part works. I should make a fucking video about this shit, dude. I don't even need to use the easy save stuff. I could just use the file-based player prefs, but just this scheme that I have right here is so handy. Be a super easy tutorial, like 5-minute tutorial. Probably get fucking 200 views, but whatever. At least it's like high quality tutorial. Yo, who's that? Silver Cluster, what's up? Thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate that. Number 637. Been a little bit. Has there been another follow tonight? Oh, there's one other one. Okay, so that's number 2 for the night. Hell yeah. Well, what's going wrong in here, man? Load value. Literally all I'm doing is... Oh, you know what? Maybe it doesn't like that, Yeah, I think it's like having an issue. Can't we do this? I don't know, before it was telling me to like not do this, but name can be simplified. I had this before and then it just said name can be simplified, so I did it. Let's see if this works. Load value. Doesn't like it. It says it's a type system.single? Huh. That's so weird because like look at this error. Trying to load data of type base data item data. The data contained in file is type of system.single. I would have thought that like it's right here, it's what it says. And then when I do it the other way, which works, I'm loading in this type exactly like that. So I don't actually know like what is the difference. Okay, let's just try. Really? Wait a second. Is it because it has to be like that? Is that a thing with generics or no? No, it's not. There's no way. I've never seen that before. Save key. I mean, literally that. So frustrating. I almost wanted to just like type this in the chat GPT real quick. Hold on. Okay, so when I run this, see if when I run this, if it works. If I run it without that, it doesn't even. Yeah, it doesn't let me do that. It's kind of strange. That's so annoying. Okay, let's try something else here. Alright, let's try this. Damn. This is annoying. Okay, so it correctly prints out the type. So we could say... Weird. I don't have a default value here. Does this work? That doesn't work either. Huh, okay. Trying to load data of type base item data, but data contained in file is of type system.single. Okay, new test. What about this? That works? No, I feel like this isn't gonna work. Hold on. That works. Dude, that's so frustrating. That works too. Dude, what? Could this be an object? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh no, I had that before. Damn. Yeah, this is tough, man. It's weird. Let me make sure this works, actually. That works. Just the whole like default value thing is really annoying. So okay, I want to do. Let's just check something real quick. So I think you can go easy. Shit. Tools, easy save, and then we can clear persistent data path. And let's clear it. Okay, it's gone. So now if we try to like load this in without saving it, but then what if we don't put in a default value? Does that bug? And it probably will. If it doesn't, that would be pretty cool though. Because then I don't have to fucking do this shit. Nah, see, it bugged. Okay. I need someone who knows C# really well, man. Who's out there? Anybody out there, man? Anybody knows some really good fucking C#, bro? Because I'm confused. We don't need this anymore because it knows what type it is because of the default value. Default value is specifying the type. It's the same generic type, so when you specify the default value, it specifies the load value, so that makes sense. What's happening is... Is it possible that this is not initialized? Oh, no, no, no. It is initializing it down here. So it's always initializing it. Wait. No, never mind. Fuck! Thought I had something, but no. Let's try debugging, I guess. Like, it's so weird. See if debugging turns anything up. It works great for everything else. For some reason. And I feel like it also worked good when it was just like, it wasn't this custom class thing, so I feel like that's what's throwing it off. It's all the same. It's all the same T. Alright, let's try debugging it. Just, I don't know, man. I don't know, Brutus. This is out of my expertise range. Oh, this is the man I needed, dude. J-Dog, what's up? J-Dog, bro, I'm having a weird bug right now. Speak of the devil, yeah, exactly, dude. I need someone who knows C# better than me. Okay. Generics, man. Generics confuse me. Architect, what's up? First time chatter? Alright, you guys, we're about to dig in. Are you ready? let me just debug this real quick though, but I'll tell you what the issue is. Because I don't think when I debug this is gonna tell me anything. So it says right here, save data is base item data. The issue, I guess, is something happening on the back end of this save system. So I don't even know if I'm doing anything wrong, to be honest with you, but it's weird because it works right up here. So that makes me think I am doing something wrong. This line up here works for me, but then this one doesn't, and I'm not really doing anything different as far as I can tell, so that's what I'm confused about. But anyways, this is just a null array of base item data. That's fine. That's totally what I would expect it to be. The save key, yeah, same thing. So name of this is just the name of it. Debugger doesn't really tell me the type. But then we move over this. Wait, what? Did it work? I didn't do anything different. Oh. I wonder if I hadn't saved. It ran this, though. Load value. Well, I need to be able to replicate it to tell you guys what the issue is. I can't replicate it now. Did I do anything different? So confused. Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's because we haven't saved anything. Sorry. Okay, we erased the save. Okay, we're gonna save this, and then we're going to try to retrieve it. Okay. It saved it. I think. Here's our save file. Yeah, we can see item ID, random item, stat count 1. So it saved the first thing, as we expect. Okay, now let's not do this. If this works, I'm gonna be just baffled. This will be just one of those things where I swear to God I'm not doing anything different. Dude! Why does it work now? Okay. Well, J-Dog. I'm just gonna explain what I did to you. Anyways. Because I thought I had this really slick system, and then I had this really obscure bug that was happening. But now it's like it's not even happening. Load value. Yeah. It's literally not any different than before. Anyways, okay, so I got this thing called Easy Save 3 on the Unity Asset Store. Are you there, J-Dogs? Just so I know I'm not talking to fucking nobody. Okay. Alright, so I got Easy Save. If you remember, I was using this thing called file-based player prefs before to do like save data. I switched over to Easy Save, and it's like pretty much the same identical thing, except they also allow you to save dictionaries and lists just built in, all that kind of stuff. Actually, it allows you to save a whole bunch of other things, but it's really nice. And I wanted to devise a nice scheme for my data manager so that I could manage my data in the easiest way possible. Because the way that it writes all the data, right, is it uses a string. It uses some string to encode the data inside of the file, as we can see here. It uses the name, this name right here. It's just a name that you type into the save function, right? It's kind of like how all the other ones work. My issue is that, like, oh, you know, I don't want to just be like typing random strings and then like I accidentally in some function I type the wrong string by one letter and then it like doesn't actually save, and then I have this really obscure bug that I can never track down, right? So I need to like get a better system for this. Pretty much JSON. It's basically JSON, yeah. It's literally JSON. So but they save it in their own like little structure so that they can like decompile it or whatever. But yeah. Okay, so then this was my devised plan. You know, I had a number of ideas at first, which was like, oh, let's create an enum for every single thing that I would ever need to save. But then the problem with creating an enum is I can't create like a dictionary between the enum and the actual value, because the actual values are different types. And you can't create a dictionary of just like mixed types, you know? So that threw that idea out the window. Then I just got the idea of like, oh, let's just make a generic like save and load function. So then what I do is I like define a default value up here. The other thing is I needed to define a default value. Because if the data doesn't exist and you try to load it in, then you need to either put in a try catch block and then handle it yourself, or you need to have a default value. So the natural way to do it is just have a default value for every item. Or every field, I guess. So then I kind of came up with this way, which I think is like really slick, which is basically you just create, you know, a field or property, whatever you want to do in your data manager for every single thing that you would ever want to save. And then you set it to a value, and this acts as its default value. In this case, it just initializes to an empty array of nulls. You know, that's fine. But then to use the default value, you got to be kind of smart with it. And then, so I made these two functions, save value and load value, and it takes in like a generic type. And then I learned about this function. I didn't even know this existed. At first I was trying to do this with reflection, but I guess in like C# like 6 or something, 6 point something, they came out with this function name of. So then you can just get the name of the field as a string. So then you can directly save it in as the name of this key up here. and then you don't have to like manually type it in. It just does it automatically. And then if you pass in that value, you know, you pass in this variable, then you just like pass that in as the value that you're actually trying to save. So you can see it in action over here, like for the save. Oh, whoops! I didn't do the actual save. I just did the normal save in that case. But then yeah, when we do load value, you just literally type in the variable that you want to load, which makes it really slick. Like you just like, oh, I want this one, just load it in. So that's what I set up. But then I was having this like very obscure bug when I tried to use this like base item data, which is a custom class array, as the item type. But now it's not happening anymore, so. Anyways, I really like this setup. I hope it works. Let's make sure it's actually getting the value. It should be 1. I don't know. Does that make sense, J-Dog? I know I just talked a lot. Oh, interesting. So this something happened is not actually working. Interesting. All right, we've come across a bug again. Damn. So this is not, it's not getting it. But if I do it this way through their load by typing actually in the string explicitly and passing in this default value explicitly instead of doing it through this like generic way. Let's see if it works now. And now it works. So, okay, we're back to where we were. So, can you figure out any way? I don't know if you can see this here. I'll zoom in a little bit. Can you figure out any reason? It's just calling this load data. I'll move it up here for us. Can you figure out any reason this line, which calls this function, would return something different than this one? Is it the same key? I mean, we can check, we can double check it. But I'm pretty damn sure it is. You want me to like debug it, or we could debug it and just see. Oh shit. Or I could just print it. Oh shit, I can't. Here, let's do it both ways. Call this 1 and 2. Oh, I wonder if, yeah, because when I saved it Well, no, I saved it using this name of function. But I didn't use this way. I didn't use my save value. Maybe I should check that afterwards. Okay, let's try this though. Okay. So how do you want me to check that it's the same? Just check the print for both. Oh, okay. Alright, I won't debug them. Oh my god, wait. I don't think it worked. Because okay, hold on. I think it might create a new instance name. Damn, that's crazy. I was losing my mind. I'm pretty sure that's it though. Okay. Yep. One prints num items in slot list, the other prints save key. I'm so stupid. Okay, this is an easy fix though, right? Wait, is it? I mean... So name of prints literally the name of this. So it prints save key. But in this case, it prints num items in slot list because it creates a new instance here. I'm fucking stupid. So I could just pass it in explicitly. Like that's not very hard. Save key dot get type dot full name. Okay, let's try that. We're learning some cool C# stuff today. Oh my god. Okay, well, it printed base item data. So it's printing the type name. Which I think makes sense. I don't know. Can you think of any better way to do this than just passing it in explicitly? Because, like, I can do it pretty easily if I did this. I could do that. I bet it would work now. It would be nice if it did it internally, like this. Pretty redundant. Should we ask ChatGPT? How can I get the name of a field passed into a function from within a function? String. Pass into a function from within the function. This is such a stupid thing. Or underscore underscore name? Is that different? I don't know what the underscore underscore name does. It's not even something you can do, right? I don't think this is doing what we want it to do. Ugh. Ode Custard, what's up? Dude, we're trying to figure out a really weird C#. Or I don't know if I should say it's a bug. It's not a bug. We're trying to figure out a clean way to do this in C#. Zen Fisher, interesting name. You like the name? Yeah, it's gonna be like a chill fishing game. Have you ever played have you played like much RuneScape? What's another like kind of grindy but like chill game? It's gonna be like kind of grindy but also like AFK if you want it to be. But right now we're just figuring out this really stupid thing in C#, man. My field. Call a function and pass a field name as a string. I mean, that's the solution I was gonna do. Conquer Online was your MMO back in the day. Nice. I'll show you the game in just a sec. You know, also I'm over on Twitch, by the way, so I'm talking to people on Twitch too. J-Dog, you say, to be honest what? Dude, to be honest with you, I'm just gonna do the string, the pass of the string in, because it still helps me a lot. I wish it was a little cleaner, but, you know, I can live with this. Is there a way to get, like, because there's, like, a pointer, right? Like, it's pointing to something. The string might be the easiest for you, because I could overall complicate your save system. You could overly complicate it. I mean, if there's not an easy way to do what I'm trying to do from within this function, I'll just do this. I don't want to, like... Everything else is so simple and easy that I don't want to, like, change anything. Alright, Custard, let's check out the game. I'll show you what we're working on. Yeah, this is just bullshit right now. Let's just get rid of this. We'll fix this in a sec. Doing some really annoying things with saving persistent data and saving data. Just have not been fun. Yeah, right now I'm working on the starting island. Okay, here we are. Yeah, we're working on the starting island here. So we'll be in the game, and then kind of working on a bunch of different things at the same time. But like, I started working on NPCs a few days ago, so this is an NPC. Might deceive you a little bit, but we can talk to him, and we can progress through some dialogue and select stuff. So then after we got through that, I'm starting to work on more data saving and stuff. So we have a whole inventory system. And then we can like equip things in our gear slots. Or we can equip like armor in our body slot. But one of the issues right now is we need the inventory state to save when we close the game. So that's what I'm working on right now. Basically, if I were to close this game and restart, it would be fresh, brand new. But we want to have the ability to save all that data. So I've just been working on the back end, trying to get this shit working. It's pretty annoying. I mean, this is a massive upgrade, J-Dog, than what I was before. Because before, if I wanted to do it this way, right? This is one way. Is use their default. Then I would have to type in the string manually. And actually, even if I make it like this, like the way I have it here, I have to do this anyways. I have to do the name of like this. And then I have to pass in the default value. So actually, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe it's completely pointless for me to write this, and I should just use their built-in thing and then just do this name of and like this. So I basically wrote all this shit for nothing. God damn it, dude. I tried to be smart about it. Actually, okay, did I do this all for nothing? I think I did this all for nothing. Could definitely automate it. I don't, oh man, I think all this doesn't matter. I don't think I need any of this. I can just do this. Is it like a MMO? It's not an MMO, it's like a RPG. It's gonna be single player because I'm not good enough to make a full-scale game multiplayer yet. So I'm starting out making it single player. you know, we'll see where it goes one of these days later on. But from what I've learned in game dev, dude, like multiplayer is just awful, awful, awful. I've tried it a few times and it just always goes awful for me. So I'm trying to make this project just a single player game. I wonder, has there ever been an MMO released by an indie dev? Has that ever happened? They all flop from what I know. I mean, that doesn't surprise me at all. Is this like Animal Crossing or mostly fishing? You can think of it as like... I would say the thing that's going to be most similar to is... Think of like Minecraft crossover with like Pokemon. I know that sounds weird, but... like Minecraft and the way the open world works, and it's gonna be like, you know, kind of like low poly, like stylized graphics. There'll be a first person and third person option, but Minecraft and the way that it's like, there's gonna be like crafting and there's gonna be fishing and there's gonna be like, you know, potential like storylines and stuff. But then Pokemon is the other aspect of it, is like the point of Zen Fisher is to catch all the unique fish in the biome and shit. So you have like a collection log. And the collection log is really vast. There's going to be like hundreds of fish that I'm planning on. And they have like different rarities and stuff. So actually maybe not like hundreds of fish, but hundreds when you combine the rarities and the fish. Because I don't have the output to do like literal hundreds of fish, but if I can make like different rarities, we'll have that. So then the point of the game is to collect all the fish, but I'm trying to design the whole progression of the game kind of around the collection log, so that like, you know, there's like a fishing level, for example, and like you can't even fish a fish until you're level 20, but then like you might need to get a specific rod, and so in order to get that rod you need to finish a quest, and in order to do that quest you need to like do some other objectives. And so like hopefully making it kind of like, you know, feel like an RPG, you know, it should have like MMORPG like characteristics, it just won't be multiplayer. But in terms of like the base play, it should feel like that. Like it should feel like an Iron Man style of an MMORPG. So yeah, that's kind of the goal of the game. If you want to, you know, totally free to do, you can wishlist it on Steam. I actually have a Steam page here. I'll get it for you. If you want to help me out, dude, all the Steam wish lists help me, because the more I have on release, the more it'll get pushed. So here, I'll link it for you real quick. Oh, my chat isn't working. What the fuck, dude? Can you please tell me why my chat is just gone? Hello? Where is it, dude? Where is it, dude? Oh, there it is. Okay. Just decided to pop up after like 10 minutes. That was a lot. That was a lot of work for me to just link it, but if you want to, you can wishlist it there. Okay, what's J-Dog saying? You like the premise? Hell yeah. Yeah, man. As long as I can make it, I think it'll be a good game, but there's a long ways to go. Alright, let's see what J-Dog's saying. You should clear your save and try again with a fresh save. I will. I haven't got there yet. Oh wait, am I looking too far back? Oh yeah, I'm looking way too far back, my bad, okay. Wanna hear my crazy idea? They all My way of doing save loads is having an iPersistable interface that has two functions, save and load, an attribute of persistable, which can be attached to a property. Then on save load, it'll load or save the persistable attributes. Oh man, it sounds nice, but yeah, I don't understand even in theory how to do that myself. So, but hey, when you do it, show me because I am interested, but I don't think I have the bandwidth to do that shit. I'm gonna just use my stupid. I'm just gonna use the built-in shit at this point. Delete. God, that's so dumb, man. I just need to remember, basically the only thing that this does that's different is it forces you to pass in the default value. I don't think it's worth it, dude. It's just extra complication for no reason. But I'm gonna try to work in a... I'm gonna try to have a workflow with the persistent data where every single variable has a default value. I know some people don't do that, but to me it just makes it easier. Actually, I kind of like the idea of having my own custom load be in save, because if I do that, there might be some additional logic and checks I want to do every time there's a save or a load. So maybe I should do that. I don't know. What do you think, J-Dog? Make my own. Well, if you want your own dumb version, which is actually a really good version, just do file-based player prefs. Do you have this link? It is literally the exact same thing that's happening here, except it just doesn't have like dictionaries and lists built in. But it can save all like standard variable types. Just like debating. Do I want to custom load and save or do I not? Yo, Code Custard. Yo, thanks for the follow, man. Moving over to Twitch. Oh, is that Skydive? Hey, it has been a bit, man. Also, yo, sorry, I was like basically in bed when you Discorded me last night. Forgot to respond, but I was like basically I like fell asleep with my phone on my face basically. How's it been, dude? Did you release another video? I thought I saw you had a video out. Yeah, I'm gonna make my own custom one, but it's literally gonna be the dumbest wrapper ever of all time. So it'll just be it'll just be load. And then we won't have to put in like this default bullshit. Makes it a little bit better, actually. And then we can say, okay, we need to get rid of this save system here. So we're gonna make it the exact same as this, like that, and then something like that. Save key name and save key value. Oh no, do we get to the end of our playlist? Oh, we did. Go to the next one. Gotta collect them Twitch points, dude. Yeah, you do, man. We got redeemable Twitch points here. There are some things you can do. How'd you learn Unity C#? You know, just over the years, did it more and more and more, learned it more and more and more. It's just a constant, like, I think what people really got to do, if they're asking like how do you learn Unity C# is like spend some time learning how to code, like actually code. And you're not gonna like the answer, but like go and do exercises. Go and do C# exercises, and you know, get a book or go online and do some exercises on a website, just so you can get more comfortable. And like, if you don't understand a concept, try to Google it, learn about that concept. If you don't understand it afterwards, then you can ask me, and I'll try to explain it to you more. But like, you just gotta like, it's a slow burn, man. You just gotta keep going and keep learning, and then, you know, learn how to debug, learn how to read error messages, so that when an error message pops up, you can actually understand it and you can figure it out. When you get to the point, dude, I think when you get to the point of being able to, I'm at this point in life in coding. If I get an error message, I'm 100% confident I will figure it out. And that did not, I could not say that for years. Like, it took me like years of coding, but I'm like, at this point, there hasn't been a bug that I haven't figured out in like over a year. Some of them take me multiple days, if not weeks, to actually figure out, but it's so important to be able to read a debug message and understand it. Learning the debug is a quite powerful thing to learn, dude. It really is, man, because like, that's all you got sometimes. That's all you really got. You got that in Google. And if you can't use those two together to fix it, you're fucked. Code workout. Yeah, there you go. I like that. Go work out, man. Go exercise your coding muscles, and they'll get stronger and bigger. That's all I gotta say, though. You know, but in reality, though, for real, like just work on it a little bit every day. That's what I would say. Do some exercises, learn something new, learn a new word. Just kind of, it has to happen over a long time, and you just got to stay at it, and you'll get there, man. I already know, you know how to code a bit. I already know you know how to code. It's just about becoming a better coder every day. So what am I working on? I'm working on dialogue system. So we got our dialogue system where we can choose our options. And then, so we kind of figured that out, but now we're working on a backend system for saving. So what we need to do is save this inventory setup, and then when we reload the game, it stays the same way. Make small mini projects, do small tutorials. Yeah, small mini project, great way to learn. Just call a lifeline. No, that's what you're not supposed to do. Don't call me. I'm at work, dude. I'm busy. No, I'm just kidding, dude. You can, you guys can always go to the Discord. I'll link it. I mean, I know Skyzag, you're already in there, and you got me on DMs, but can always ask questions in there. Brutus, you're back. Do you need anything 3D? I could think about it. You know what I do need is like, I mean, at some point I need to make like a modular NPC system. So I need like armor and that type of stuff. Armor, pants, all that kind of shit. Low poly. I haven't figured out how I'm gonna do it though yet. Okay, let's try to actually do this once and for all, and then I'm getting off. I'm going to bed. So instead of doing ES3 save, we're gonna do just save. Let's clear it before we do this. Damn, we came late to the party. Dude, you did, man. But hey, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're chatting too. You're keeping the party alive in the last few minutes. Okay, let's go. It's just, there's so much in Gamedev, man. It just never ends. What a day it's been. It's just been one of those days, dude. I figured out so much, but there's literally zero progress to show. Clear persistent data paths. Clear. Okay. All right. Now we're saving. We're saving one inventory slot. Okay. Now we are getting rid of the save. So it should be saved. And now we're loading. And if this prints... Print out the item ID. This should print out a random item. Oh, I already know the save file works. Yeah, the save file works. Here, we can see it right here. Alright, you guys. I printed out random item. That means it's working. Amazing. Lots of null. Well, yeah, that was by design though. That's like the default value for all these, and then we just made one slot here. Pog. Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Yeah, so basically back to where I was doing like earlier, like I basically am just creating this base item data. And all we're gonna have to do is essentially from our item data, which is a scriptable object, we're just gonna have to have some function that creates a base item data from it. Because I suck, JDog, and I didn't realize that I should make a base item data. And I don't want to refactor my whole project. So, actually, dude, do you think it's like really easy to do that? Maybe I'll think about this. I might actually do this. How hard is it for me to just be like, I just like inherit from it base item data and just be done, and everything else will be fine? How long you gonna work on this game? Oh man, I don't know. It's been, well, let's look. I know the day we started because I made a video. Oh, but I posted the video like a few weeks after. I don't know. It's been about a month. This video, dude. I don't understand what's going on with this video, you guys. It's so frustrating. Yeah, if you want to watch this video, it's actually really cool. I spent so much time making it, but we started this off doing a 24-hour stream. This project off doing 24-hour stream, that is. And this video is like basically the devlog for that first stream. Yeah, so you guys, I'm gonna go to bed, but I just need to vent. This video was doing so good the first day. Over 2,000 views the first day. And Twitch has just fucking... Or, not Twitch. YouTube has just killed it in the last week. I don't know what's happening. But the stats are unreal, dude. The impression... Look at these fucking click-through rates. It's not the thumbnail, Brutus. Look at the click-through rates, bro. The click-through rates are like wildly better than anything I've ever posted. And they continue to be. And the engagement is insane. So it has to get a push. It just has to, but it's not. So I don't get it. I would never troll you. God damn it, Bruce. You gonna push to the right button there. Oh hey, look, it's getting views right now, too. Kidding. Oh shit, okay. I should go to bed. I'm losing it. I should probably do this though, the base item data. I just don't know. J-Dog, is there an easy way for me to do this? Oh, by the way, Code Custard, I've made multiple 3D open world projects in the last like several months, so I'm leaning on a lot of like previously made models and experience. So it is, I mean, it's progressing pretty quickly, but yeah, I've been doing the same goddamn thing for the last 6 months, just different projects. Yo, J-Dog, I need to inherit from base item data and just override item ID and stat count. Is that easy? All the CMP action. Yeah. Do I make this abs? No, I want to be able to instantiate something. I want to be able to instantiate this too. Can you instantiate something that's virtual? Should be able to? Okay. So it's public, virtual public? Or is it public virtual? God damn it. The modifier virtual is not valid for this item? Really? Bruh. Oh my god, what happened over here? Spawned item? Where's spawned item? You think it's because it's in the scriptable object? Still doesn't like this. Oh, does it have to be a virtual class? Fuck, dude. Come on, ChatGPT, help me out. Wait, say what? Well, the override's in the derived class. The virtual base. Public virtual. Oh, wait, do they have to be properties? Wait, is that really right? You can't do virtual fields, they have to be properties? Bro, yeah, I don't know. This could be hard. I don't know if that's just gonna fuck everything up. I mean, then we can do public override here. Or is it just override? Dude, is it this? Do I have to do this now? Jesus Christ. Alright. I think that's what we want to do. Have to do... I don't know. It would be something like that, but I'll deal with this tomorrow. Alright, guys, I'm probably getting off. Co-Custard, man, thanks for the follow. I'll see you, Brutus. See you, J-Dog. I don't know who else is out there. Who else has talked in the last? Yeah, it's been a... I think that's about it. I would have just copied and pasted the class and asked ChatGPT. I mean, hey, that is definitely not beyond me. I do that fucking all the time, so. Hey guys.